How to use American Express Green Card Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. The American Express Green Card is a popular rewards card, but beginners often misread reviews and lose out on key benefits. Here's how to use reviews properly. The first mistake is focusing only on points accumulation. Most people get this wrong by ignoring redemption options. Reviews often highlight real-world examples like using points for travel, dining, or gift cards, which shows true value. Second mistake, overlooking fees and interest rates. You won't believe how many users get surprised by annual fees or late charges. Honest reviews usually provide tips on balancing spending and paying off bills to maximize rewards. Third mistake, ignoring bonus categories. The surprising truth is that points earned differ by category like travel, groceries, or online shopping. Reviews can reveal strategies to maximize points based on personal spending habits. Fourth mistake, dismissing customer service feedback. Many reviews mention how Amex handles disputes, lost cards, and inquiries, which can save time and frustration. Finally, failing to check for current promotions is common. Offers can change frequently, so always verify with the official website to confirm the latest bonuses and rewards programs. Using American Express Green Card reviews properly means understanding point redemption, managing fees, maximizing bonus categories, evaluating support, and verifying promotions. Avoid these mistakes to unlock the card's full potential.